Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you what I received. I've been spinning yarn lately, and I have these jumbo bobbins, and I needed more, so I've been searching. And when I bought this way back 14 years ago, my box just fell over. 14 years ago, I paid $150 for the 4 bobbins. I can't remember if the flyer was included, so I've been searching. They're pretty expensive. So I saw it on Marketplace yesterday. I was so happy. So she shipped it ASAP, and I'm going to open this box with you guys, and hopefully this will fit my Ashford, what was it called? Keep on, yeah, it's Ashford something spinning wheel, I forgot. It has a name to it. Yeah. So, she shipped it yesterday, I received it today. Well, as you can know, that this is from Canada, close to where I live. So I'm just going to open the box, and then, oh, she even sent me the original box. That's very nice of her. Oh wow, 2 bobbins. I'm hoping that the flyer will fit this one, but looks like, oh, she even sent me the yarn. Oh my goodness, that she was spinning. Probably she was tired of it. Yeah, it's the same bobbin. So happy. Oh, I am so happy. But I'm hoping that the flyer will fit. So like, these are pretty expensive. I checked it on Yarn Canada, and they're selling it for 121. Oh, I think it was the flyer for 121. So I paid $25 shipping, and the bobbin and the flyer was $90. So when you add it up, 116, I believe I mailed, sent her. Yeah. Okay. The bobbins are same. I'm so happy. Okay, let's check the flyer. Okay, here it is. These are the new ones that came after I purchased. Mine doesn't, this part doesn't, I don't have that part. She even sent me the manual. Yeah, I just needed the bobbins. Flyers I wouldn't care, but yeah, let's put it on and see. I'm sure it's gonna fit my yeah, it's the same. See, this part is the same that I have. Let me just get you closer so you can look at it. I am so happy. Oh, I need to remove this wool. I don't need that. I might make something with it. Maybe knit a baby booty, because it is super soft. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'll 2-ply with this, and then it's the same. Let me just move the camera so you can see closer, and you can't see because I have to put the thingy, the tripod down. Just one moment, tripod. Okay, see, it's the same. I don't know what this is called. Probably I know the name, but who keeps those names? Okay, so I'm just gonna remove this. Oops, that fell. And my thingy got twisted. Perfect. And I'm just taping these belts. I'm so happy. I have 4 now. I have 6 bobbins total. And then I'll just let me use its original. Probably she paid extra for this, you know. I did need an empty bobbin. Okay, I forgot. So you need to move this way, so remove it. So I need an empty bobbin. I'll just use my bobbin, and then I'll put this here. So I need to empty her bobbin, and then you just click it. This is her, the one that I bought. Okay, so I oiled these parts. Okay, let's see. Oh, I forgot to put the belt. So these are new to me, this part right here. These, because when I bought it, these weren't. And I've been searching. Looks like you can, there's a tool that moves the yarn when you're spinning. I don't want to, I already spent too much money on this. And the fibers are pretty expensive, so I'm just gonna stop buying for a moment. Okay, so let's put this. Need to put the belt before. I should have done that. Okay, right out there. And put it back. Perfect. It fits my Ashford. It has a name. I can't remember what the other name was, but it has yeah, I did mention on one of the videos, but I forgot. My brain. Because the way I put it in these, one of the bobbin and one of this, I don't know what's it called. I'm sorry. It's like a different language. Learning a different language. Oh, this is perfect. Okay. Yeah, it fits perfect. I am so happy. Well, I didn't need the flyer, but that's what it's called. But it was included. I was searching for the bobbins, jumbo bobbins, and I was kind of hesitant because I didn't know which bobbin to go from. I didn't know if it would fit, but now I know. But I already bought 2, so I have 6. And I don't even use the original, the small ones. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna make a separate video. So I just wanted to show you my Ashford flyer jumbo size that I bought from Marketplace, and I am so happy. I just can't believe it. And oh wow, this goes nicely. So I'm going to be spinning some satin Angora rabbit fiber that I have been carding, and I made a total of 3, so I will come back to make a video about that. So stay tuned, and we'll go from there. So let me just show you a closer look how it looks. I'm just so happy. And it's really hard to trust people when they're selling on Marketplace. You don't know them, right? You're sending them cash. And here in Canada, we usually do e-transfer, but I prefer to do PayPal because I did get scammed once, and PayPal did refunded me. They said only for this time. In the future, we won't do it. I send it through, how is it called? Friends and family. So this way you don't get protected. And I had no clue about it. So this was my first time doing that. So I'm always hesitate to send cash, e-transfer. So I did PayPal, and she said no problem at all. And she mailed it the same day. So I was surprised, and I'm so thrilled. I'll just leave her a 5-star. Let her know that I received it. I'm so just happy that I received my 2 jumbo bobbins extra, because you need them when you're doing 2-ply, 3-ply. So you guys take care. I'll see you on my next video. I will show you how it goes and review about the satin Angora rabbit yarn. You guys take care. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.